Good morning, kids. This is Grandma Freeman, and today I'm making oatmeal raisin cookies. And these are the ingredients that I am using. And as you can see, the main reason I'm doing it today is for my grandchildren, and also because I want to use up this chia oatmeal. I have 6 of these packets left, and I'm going to empty those in this measuring cup over here. And if I need more, I have Mom's Best quick oatmeal. And I'm planning to use, instead of oil, I'm going to use creamy peanut butter. And I'm also going to add about a half a cup of this maple syrup, and maybe there is sugar already in this, but I think it's low sugar. So I'm going to use probably a cup of this brown sugar. And then in this, I have this whole wheat flour. So I'm going to use whole wheat flour. And then over here, I have my raisins, salt, cinnamon, ginger. I need to use a little bit of baking soda. And I have less than half teaspoon of this Adam's Best. And I'll put that on my grocery list along with oatmeal, because that's not quite full, the Mom's Best, and then that will be empty. So I will put some more oatmeal, and I'll check out the prices when I go. Okay, so, and then 2 eggs to moisten it. Now, I took this recipe from, these are my tools over here, this recipe from the Freeman Family Cookbook. This is a recipe that I developed over time, and I'm changing it. I'm leaving out the applesauce because I don't have any, and instead of honey, I'm going to use the maple syrup to sweeten it. And there's maple syrup in the oatmeal as well, brown sugar and maple syrup. So I'll just make that flavor pop. And also, I have to, in this large measuring cup, I'm going to measure out the peanut butter and I'm going to mix the eggs and the peanut butter together. Wait a minute, let me see. Oh no, it says the eggs, the honey, and the applesauce. So I'm going to mix the maple syrup and the eggs together, and then I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients in here, and then put the peanut butter in, and I'm going to use this pastry cutter to cut the peanut butter in it, and then I will add the maple syrup and eggs mixture into that and mix it all together. And then over here, I have these ready. These are liners for the cookies, and they keep them from sticking to these old pans. And then I'm going to set my oven to 350 degrees and bake the cookies for 10 to 12 minutes. And I hope they turn out right. I'll come back later with a short for a taste test, and that might be tomorrow with my grandchildren to see how they like it. So I hope you have a wonderful day. We're expecting that, well, anyhow, there's about a 30% chance of rain today. You see the sky is really kind of getting white, a little blue. And please like and subscribe and have a wonderful day. Bye now.